Welcome to the Precision Study channel. Today's topic is socio-religious reform movements, which is most important topic for the upcoming exam. Most important questions are covered in this section. Please watch this session completely and subscribe the channel. Let's start. What was the organization name? Where it was the center and who was the founder of this organization? First, Young Bengal Movement, center was Calcutta, founder Henry Vivian Desrosiers. Second, Brahmo Samaj, which was founded in 1828, center Calcutta, founder Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Third, Sarvajanik Sabha, 1873, center Pune, founder M.G. Ranade, G.V. Joshi, S.H. Chiplunkar. Next, Satyashodhak Samaj, 1873, center Pune, founder was Mahatma Phule. This question was asked in the previous year question. Next, Ramakrishna Mission, 1897, center was Belur, founder was Swami Vivekanand. Dr. Atmaram Pandurang founded Pratna Samaj in 1867 in Bombay. Next, Swami Dayanand Saraswati founded Arya Samaj in 1875 in Bombay. Next, H.P. Blavatsky and H.S. Olcott founded Theosophical Society 1875 in Madras. Next, Veda Samaj in Madras. Who is regarded as the first great leader of modern India? This is most important question. Answer is Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Next question. When and who founded Atmiya Sabha? Atmiya Sabha founded by Ram Mohan Roy in 1815. When and which Governor General of India passed a law against the practice of sati? Answer, Lord William Bentinck in 1829. Next, who led Dharma Sabha? Answer, Raja Radhakanta Dev. Next, when and who established Vedanta College? Answer, Ram Mohan Roy in 1825. Who founded Hindu College in 1817? Answer, David Harry. Who founded Scottish Church College? Answer, Alexander Duff. Who wrote Tuhfat-ul-Muhaiddin? Answer, Ram Mohan Roy. Ram Mohan Roy's other books are Gift to Monotheist, Percept of Jesus, Bengali translation of Veda, and 5 of the principal Upanishads. Ram Mohan Roy's journals are Sambad Kaumudi, a Bangla newspaper in 1821. Next, Mirat-ul-Akbar, which is a Persian newspaper. Next question. Who was the first secretary of the Brahmo Sabha? First secretary. Name, Tarachand Chakrabarti. Who founded the Union Bank of Calcutta in 1829? Answer, Dwarakanath Tagore. Who gave title of Raja to Ram Mohan Roy? Answer, Akbar II. Who founded Tatyabodhini Sabha in 1839? Answer, Devendranath Tagore. Who founded Bharatvarsha Brahmo Samaj? Answer, Keshav Chandra Sen in 1868. Who was president of Indian Reform Association? Answer, Keshav Chandra Sen. Who founded a new universal religion, Navavidhana, New Dispensation? Answer, Keshav Chandra Sen in 1881. This was mixture of Hindu philosophy and Christian theology, Navavidhana. Who started the Young Bengal Movement? Answer, Henry Vivian Desrosiers. Who was the first nationalist poet of modern India? Answer, Henry Vivian Desrosiers. Who wrote the poem To India, My Native Land? Henry Vivian Desroziers. When Widows Remarriage Act was passed? Answer 1856. Who wrote Barna Parichaya? Answer Vidyasagar. Who said service of man was the service of God? Answer Ramakrishna Paramahansa. Who said Hinduism is the mother of all religions? Answer Swami Vivekananda. Swami Vivekananda presented a new interpretation of Vedanta called answer New Vedanta philosophy. Next question. What is the main motto of Ramakrishna Mission? Answer to provide social service to people. Next question. Which was the first socio-religious reform association in Gujarat? Answer Manav Dharma Sabha, which was in Surat. In which government agenda for the first time female education was incorporated? Female education, most important. Answer Oates Dispatch of 1854. Next question. In which place Paramahansa Mandali founded? Answer Maharashtra. Who published Bombay Darpan, which was the first Marathi newspaper? What was the first Marathi newspaper? Answer Bombay Darpan. Who published? Answer is Balshastri Jambhekar. Who was known as father of Marathi journalism? Also a question. Answer Balshastri Jambhekar. Balshastri Jambhekar also first Marathi monthly magazine published. Name was Digdarshan. Who founded Marathi newspaper? Prabhakar. Govind Vittal Kunti. This was the last question and I have completed the session. Please subscribe my channel so that you will cover many things. Thank you.